Money is all around you. If you know where to look, you can just grab it. Today I'm gonna show you a few ways in which you can get some crypto for free, and then you can just do whatever you want with it. You can stake it, you can sell it, whatever. Just hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. Binance.com is a website which is popular, which is good, and it has a lot of traffic on it. Of course, it can make you a lot of money if you apply yourself. If you invest a bit of your time into it, you can get a lot. So make yourself an account. You can even get it on your phone as well if you want, and just go on this Earn section. And of course, for first one, you can go on Binance Earn, okay? So this is some simple and secure strategy in order to start earning that money, okay? So first of all, you have some locked staking and you have some flexible savings, okay? These are differentiated, so you can just go and stake your currency. But of course, firstly, you have to get some currency for yourself, and then you can go and you can involve yourself. For example, this ETH 2.0 staking is a new thing, but it requires for you to not touch your money for 2 years after you invested in here. But the trick is that you will get your interest rate each day. So for example, 5.2% is going to get to you every day, but the whole thing, the whole investment is going to have to stay in that account on Binance for 2 years before you can withdraw all of it, okay? But the interest rate is coming to you every day, so that is some nice free money on a daily basis, and you don't have to do a lot. In fact, you don't have to do nothing on this website. You can just take it in terms of ETH, Ethereum, and that's all that you have to do. But of course, what if you don't have any crypto to begin with? Well, the thing which you can do is you can go to CoinMarketCap and you can involve yourself into this strategy, okay? This is Learn and Earn Crypto, and all that you have to do is to watch a few videos about all of these new up-and-coming cryptocurrencies, okay? So for example, you learn something about this Mars ecosystem token, and then you will just answer a few questions. You will complete a quiz afterwards, so these people can know that you have watched that video, okay? And it won't take a lot of your time. This is really easy and quick to do, and of course, you will earn that crypto, which you can later put in your wallet, whichever one you have, and then you can reinvest it here on Binance.com and of course get some interest on it, okay? Of course, this will work all around the world, so if you live in Nigeria, in India, wherever you live, guys, you can get a lot of money for yourself. The more time invested in here means more money for you, so more money, guys, that's all we want. Of course, you can get yourself a wallet here on Binance.com, and it's a pretty good one. But of course, you can use this wallet on blockchain.com. This is really powerful crypto wallet which can give you some money as well. But if you are a complete beginner in the crypto world, you can go to bitcoin.org, okay? You can just choose your wallet in here, and these guys are gonna help you if you are feeling lost, okay? So these guys will help you with the 4 simple questions on this website. So first, what's your operating system? This is pretty much self-explanatory, right? Choose Windows if you use that and click connect. And the second question is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? Now, the trick in here is that you be honest with these guys, okay? So click on new if you are a beginner, and which criteria are important to you. I suggest that you take fees. You don't want to waste money on those fees. They take away a lot of fees if you take some wallet which is like paid or something. And the last question is, what features are you looking for? You can click on 2-factor authentication. You can just scroll down, click on next, and that's it. You have been recommended this Electrum wallet, which is a fairly nice wallet, so choose this if you feel like it. But in the end, it is just a place where you can store that crypto so you can stake it later. One more option which I have for you, and this is involving some mining, okay? But it's not using your own resources, okay? This is on a cloud. And of course, hit that subscribe button right now if you feel like it. Thank you. So back to moonbitcoins.com. This is pretty easy, guys. This is mining some Bitcoin on a cloud. So all that you have to do is you have to log in with your wallet address, okay? So you will take your wallet address, you will just copy it, and then you will paste it in here. You then just click on this login button, and then you click on this start button, and that's all that you have to do. You will be redirected to the website to the home page, to your dashboard on this page. And you can see in here that you can right away click on Start Bitcoin Mining, okay? And that's gonna start that. But of course, firstly click on this hourly bounty, okay? This is active each hour, okay? So each hour you have an opportunity to get some free faucet money. This is just some free money. You can see that you will get this message, congratulations, you have earned Bitcoin in the amount of this one. So this is open each hour, so you can just do this, just make yourself a timer. And of course, you have daily bonus as well, which is active every 24 hours for you. You will do the same thing. You just click on this button, your daily bonus is active. Get it now, and of course you will get this message once again, and then go on dashboard and then just click on this button, Start Bitcoin Mining, and it will start right away. But of course, while this is doing in your browser, guys, you should never close the mining window, okay? The amount you earned will not be calculated if you close it, okay? So you just have to leave this open and you can go and do whatever you want. You can enjoy your day. This is making you money constantly for as long as it is opened, okay? So it will start, you will have these winnings right away, and you will have these beats, these hashes per second telling you how much is that going on and how much of that Bitcoin you have been winning, okay? So this is some free money for yourself, so I highly suggest that you use this one as well because it is pretty easy, and of course you have these bounties, some free money all around. You just have to involve yourself. But of course, while you are doing that, you can go and invest your time on this website as well, which is called superpay.me, and it is really super. If you just go on Trustpilot, you will actually see that they have pretty nice ratings, 4.6 out of 5. People have a really good experience with this website because you can see by the comments, okay? People really love it. Superpay.me is a good thing to invest your time and get money in return, okay? And what I like the most about this website is that you can go and you can get these fast payments, okay? So you will get paid the same day, guys. They have 8-hour payment promise, and as soon as you click on it, you can get PayPal, you can get Bitcoin, whatever you want to get. Just do these tasks, okay? So make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more. The best thing on this website is this 8-hour payment promise, guys. You don't have to wait around. Superpay.me is giving you money right away, okay? Right away, superpay.me. And also one more feature which is highly profitable are these regular $1,000 cash contests. So this means that they will reward the most active users on this website, okay? So the more active you are, the more chances you have to get this $1,000 cash contest, and it is split up, so it is regular each week. You can involve yourself into this and you can just get some free money for yourself. So I highly suggest that you take some action. Of course, if you combine all of these, well, you are setting yourself up for success, guys. So just go and take some action, and I will catch you later.